Oh, I want to jump in.
Oh, that opportunity may present itself.
That's a gorgeous shot. Just
Oh, you
with the
sure?
clouds and stuff, that is a gorgeous shot. Pink looks good on it.
Yeah. It's the manly pink.
It's a manly pink.
Here's what we do in our off time. We run out in the bowsprit.
Now go out front and straddle that sail and turn around.
You're doing it from that side?
You can do it from
Yeah, I was
the
doing it from this
outside.
side. Well, I can do it from the other side.
Here, I'll come around.
Just
Okay.
straddle the outside of that sail. There you go.
That was a good shot.
Straddle it.
One leg on either side.
Sorry about that.
When you pull them down, often you get